Unit 21 Health and Diseases. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline. The component causing this could be. Answer: nicotine. Number 2. World No Tobacco Day is observed on. Answer: May 31. Number 3. Cancer cells are more easily damaged by radiations than normal cells because they are. Answer: undergoing rapid division. Number 4. Which type of cancer affects lymph nodes and spleen? Answer: lymphoma. Number 5. Excessive consumption of alcohol leads to. Answer: cirrhosis of liver. Number 6. Coronary heart diseases is due to. Answer: insufficient blood supply to heart muscle. Number 7. Cancer of the epithelial cells is called. Answer: carcinoma. Number 8. Metastasis is associated with. Answer: malignant tumor. Number 9. Polyphagia is a condition seen in. Answer: diabetes mellitus. Number 10. Where does alcohol affect immediately after drinking? Answer: central nervous system. Roman letter 2. Expand the following abbreviations. Number 1. IDDM. Insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Number 2. HIV. Human immunodeficiency virus. Number 3. BMI. Body mass index. Number 4. It's AIDS, acute immunodeficiency syndrome. Number 5. CHD, coronary heart diseases. Number 6. NIDDM, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Match the following answer. Number 1. Sarcoma, connective tissue cancer. Number 2. Carcinoma, stomach cancer. Number 3. Polyptypsia, excessive thirst. Number 4. Polyphagia, excessive hunger. Number 5. Myocardial infarction, lack of blood flow to heart muscle.